right, Chuck, we've got snow, we've got rain.
Yeah, you knew after that mild December we'd have to have winter sometime, and we've been pretty fortunate, but we have not one system, this one, but we're already looking at another one on Friday, so we have to take one storm at a time, though, and see what's going on out there right now. So our first alert weather day continues, Amber, until tomorrow night. We issue first alert weather days in advance of a big storm situation that would cause a nuisance for you, or maybe it'd be dangerous out there to you and your family. So we issue these as far in advance as we can. So we'll carry this first alert weather day into tomorrow night for the moderate to heavy snow. Eventually strong winds on the backside of this system about this time tomorrow. And the travel out there will be a little treacherous at times with the heavy wet snow overnight and in the morning. And then we get a break, and then more snow tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Here's a live look at our radar. A lot of this is still not hitting the ground around Metro Peoria, but this is, according to our radar, a very chilly rain. But there could be some rain snow mixed in with that as we continue to get into the nighttime hours, and that moisture falls into the column of air. That column of air will get colder and turn this all over to snow. We have a winter storm warning for areas along and west of the Illinois River, and it splits the river just about in half for Peoria County westward in that winter storm warning. But let's say Woodford, Tazewell, and McLean, and areas on the east side of the river, are in a winter weather advisory for a little bit less snow. Here's what we're looking at, okay? This is total accumulation, and some of this could melt, though, after the first wave tonight. We could get a little melting in the morning, then more snow tomorrow afternoon, but the cumulative total could see upwards of 6 inches around Metro Peoria and the Illinois River Valley, lesser amounts 4 around Bloomington, Normal, and Pontiac, and then 6 to 8 as you go Galesburg and Toulon from Knox, Stark into Bureau counties. So here's the breakdown. You need a scorecard for this. Most of the snow falls tonight anywhere from 2 to 5 inches along and west of the river, including Peoria. Then an inch or 1 to 3 inches east of the river. Snow continues west of the river tomorrow, but there's a rain-snow mix possible along and east of the river. Then it turns back to all snow for all of us with another inch or 2 of accumulation tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now, the wind gust or the winds won't be a huge factor tomorrow. We'll be gusting near 15, but on the backside of the system tomorrow evening, look at that. We'll have snow on the ground blowing and drifting around with those wind gusts near 40 miles an hour. Let's go outside, see what's happening right now. It's still quiet. We're waiting for the moisture to come out of the clouds and hit the ground. Right now, it's just coming out of the clouds and evaporating. There's the uptown normal cam. 37 the high in Peoria today, 30 the low, 34 and 18 where we belong this time of the year. And right now, 37 in Peoria, easterly winds at 11, 29 is the feels like index, and 34 in Bloomington normal, easterlies at 13, feels like 25. Area temperatures pretty much in the mid to upper 30s, but once again, a column of air, the more precipitation we get to fall in that column will cool into snow. Here's a storm system right here coming at us out of Oklahoma, spreading all this mess northbound. And once again, we're seeing not a lot hitting the ground around Metro Peoria, but there is some chilly rain and maybe a rain-snow mix south of Route 136. Here's a look at our future radar. There's 10 o'clock tonight with the snow. Notice we get a little bit of a rain-snow mix along and east of the Illinois River to cut down some of the snowfall totals tomorrow. Then on the backside, there we go with the snow for the rest of this situation. Now here's the rest of the 10-day trend. We'll have some quiet weather Wednesday and Thursday. We have more snow coming our way Friday and bitterly cold next week. Amber.